Jeffree, sorry, I think I'm losing my teeth.
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in
Beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I did another makeup look. I just played around with my Jeffree Star Androgyny palette. I have so much makeup and I've decided that I really need to start using a lot of it because like this palette I've had for the longest time and I've probably only used it like 3 times. It's bad. So yeah, I did this look right here. If you want to see how I did it, then just keep watching.
You right here. Maybe I'ma lock my door and disconnect my phone. 'Cause I wanna make one thing clear. I want you one more. So let your head down. You right here. Maybe I'ma lock my door and disconnect my phone. 'Cause I wanna make one thing clear. I want you one more. So let your head down. I take the night off for you. Gonna turn the lights off, but keep your heels on. The feeling of what we're about to do.
So that completes my makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it and thank you for staying till the end if you did. Of course, if you're not subscribed, make sure you do so and click on the bell icon so you're notified every time I upload a new video. God bless you and I'll see you next time.